Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Wand AI, signing in, and confirming your plan has API or feature access. Next, prepare a concise prompt with example outputs and one or two constraints so the model knows the target. Once done, pick the model, set temperature for creativity, and choose the response format such as JSON or plain text. Make sure to save these settings as a preset if you will reuse them. This reduces iteration time and keeps results consistent. You now craft prompts that state the goal, show 1-2 examples, and include explicit instructions so Wand AI follows a predictable pattern. Then run a few small tests. Once you see results, adjust temperature, max tokens, and top P to move output toward precision or creativity. Make changes incrementally and compare outputs side by side. Also use system or instruction layers if available to lock tone. Once you converge on a reliable prompt, save it and annotate why each setting matters. You finish by exporting validated outputs and confirming they match your examples and constraints. Next, automate predictable flows using API calls, saved presets, or templates so production runs are consistent. Make sure to include input validation and logging to catch anomalies. If outputs start drifting, revert to the saved prompt, lower temperature, or add stricter constraints. This is the key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, isolate recent changes and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.